We're live.
Hey YouTube! Welcome back to Just Me and My Two Boys. We're ready to eat. Look at, there's two colors. And there's 3 types of Jello. And that is a lot of Jello.
I'm assuming 2.8 liters.
Grab the boxes. Show me each kind.
Just one of each?
Just one of each. But there are 12 boxes.
Wait, total. Wait, how many? Did you put 2 grapes? Oh, you did.
Yeah.
So there's two grapes in each one.
Yeah.
There's
Oh, there's 3 different.
One red?
No. 2. There's 2 red. There's
2.
4. Huh? What did we do? What did we do?
There's one
there's 2
cherry,
boxes.
1 strawberry in.
Yeah. That's
So
right.
okay, there's just 1 bowl, 2 grape, 1 cherry, 1 strawberry.
Yeah. So there's 4 packets in each.
I don't think that's right. I think there's 2 of each. Because why would the red?
They're all right there if you want to count. Aren't we crazy?
No, no.
We could have prepared a little better.
So 1 strawberry, 1 cherry, 2 grape.
Anyway, this is the ripped one. This is the Welch's Concord Grape. Starburst Cherry. And Starburst all pink strawberry. They're going to be good. Like, they're going to be delicious. They smell so good. They do. Oh, look at the Jello.
Whoa, it's going to break. You're going to break it. Sides are coming off.
That's cool. That's cool.
It's going to like...
Oh yeah, it cracked right here.
Yeah, it cracks on the side.
Ah, thanks for that.
Did it get you?
Yeah.
We're going to use spoons. Oh my gosh, this is so much. This is so much.
2.8 liters.
Are you guys ready for this?
Oh, yeah.
This elbow's like gonna kill me. Ah, okay. So, first to finish. The challenge is to finish it. I honestly don't know. We have troubles with 2-liter pop, right? And this is 2.8.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how that's gonna fit in my belly. Are you having doubts?
Well, I mean, last 2 liter, the what's it called? The bubbles. Carbonation's what stopped me from going fast.
Until you shook it up.
And then I got half.
This stuff we should be able to eat fast, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to chew it. I mean, you can put your face in there and just...
You ruined my idea.
Oh, dude.
I was literally going to go...
Get a timer.
Hey, no messing.
Messing?
Your hair?
No, that's just a crack.
Okay. Crack.
Me from slapping.
All right.
Um,
You're going to have to put it right here. Because I put it low, higher. No, right there. It's fine. You got it?
yeah, 3.
Oh, hold on. Check out our latest videos. What were they?
They were the 2 liter...
2-liter Dr. Pepper.
And then the
Doritos. Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese is a funny one.
Yeah.
Mac and soup.
It was gross. But we're doing Jello. You saw the flavors?
I want to lick it.
Look how cool I did that, though. I did the first one and then the second.
Can I lick it? Like,
that's grape. I'm excited for each of these flavors, actually.
I'm ready to go.
We can lick it as soon as we go. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Shit. Okay, you can use your hands.
Ugh. I'm not using that.
Grape's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's cold, though.
Very cold.
I'm gonna let Brandy. Hey, babe.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Looking for pizza?
I can go fast. What the heck? You can break it up with your spoon.
Just don't throw up on the carpet, please. That'll stain.
Mm-hmm. It will.
The red's really good.
I haven't gotten there yet.
I've been digging in it. I'm digging for treasure. That is so cold.
It's cold. My throat is frozen. Not a brain freeze, but my throat.
See if the red's good.
And the red is actually the mixture of the pink and the red.
Mm-hmm.
My 2 favorites, Starburst. No. What is it?
Starburst.
Starburst. Why did that sound weird? Would you?
I'm using a spoon now.
I don't know. What do you like better? What do you like better?
Definitely the red.
You like the sound? What
I
are
like
you?
how casually you're doing it. Like,
No, you like them?
Are you? Which one do you like best?
probably red. But I like the mixture.
Mmm. Grape's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Concord grape, baby.
We haven't eaten anything all day, so.
Look how cool it looks. It's almost clear. The grape one.
I'm trying to eat it slow.
Why?
Because it'll start hurting.
He's talking. It's so cold. You know you're having fun. You chopped yours up.
Cold. Red.
Not much going. I can't tell with yours or yours. Oh.
The red.
Are you? Are your throats frozen?
No.
Really?
Mine is.
Mm.
Look at that. It's a heart. I mean,
Get your face over that. Dude,
the heart
if
is
you
mine.
drop that on the carpet, Mom's gonna kill you. It will stain.
Mm-hmm.
Permanent.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it separate from the other.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Is it? No.
It's a fight between the Jello.
I think Matthew just showed up to try to win another one.
Jello in the lungs.
Oh.
Hold up, what if I just like...
No, no, no. Would you stop it? You're gonna get on the carpet. I'm gonna kick your butt. You can just spin. You just spin.
It's really cold on my
It's
hand.
easy. It's easy enough.
This is really filling up my stomach. It's pretty gross.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
I can see where my halfway mark is. Look at it coming right off of the rib.
Oh, yeah. It's like peels it off.
It's so cold.
It's not going down.
I just want to peel off all the purple. Because that looks cool.
That's what I'm doing. Look. Are you competing today?
Maybe.
You better. We ain't doing these videos for nothing.
We're doing it for you guys.
Oh. Can you get this elbow out of my face? That'll be great. You're gonna get the ribs.
Why does the purple look clear? But then when it's purple together.
Thicker.
It's really cold now. My hands are like turning numb.
We made
Turning
those.
numb.
We made those yesterday. Ugh. This isn't a pop. Cute.
You're sure dead.
I can't. It'll be all Jello.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You're ruining it!
No, it looks cool. Show them.
It is mixed now.
Oh.
All on my pants.
Oh. Mom, don't touch me, boy.
I don't want to pick this up. Like, how will that be?
Yeah, I know. Well, did you pick it up as a liquid or what?
Probably warms up in here. It would be thick. I hope it doesn't. Well, it might come out nice and smooth. You gotta think about that one.
Okay,
All the extra noises out of you. Jeez Louise.
Just like,
There you go.
Grab that. Grab that.
It's cold.
Oh. Eat it.
no.
You're almost done with the purple.
Mm-hmm. That's the halfway mark.
Try to get as big of a chunk as you can and put it all in your mouth. Gosh dang it.
Oh. I thought this would be really easy to just swallow, but
Dad.
it's slowly going down the throat. What? Big bite? Oh. That's half?
All right.
Mm-hmm.
We can only eat it with the faces.
Mm-hmm.
That is so funny.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get mine in there.
Mm-hmm. Why not?
I'm real good.
Mm-hmm.
Bucket. I don't want to throw those out. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that war.
Careful with this piece here. And don't do that. Your mom will kill you. Oh. Hey,
It's a blood.
sit still, goofball. Oh, that sugar hitting you already?
It's a blood.
Maybe an avalanche. That is weird.
It looks so funny.
Okay. Man.
What if someone made a diamond out of Jello?
Shape one?
Yeah.
I just kissed myself.
He goes,
I sucked a piece of Jello off my hand and it was a big old smackaroo. All right. Well, I'm done with half. I got all the grape gone.
I didn't.
Oh, you know what I need to do now?
Who?
Boo.
I was right.
I feel it. It's going right through me.
You don't need to say it every time. It's a flood of blood.
Check out that.
The second.
That's thick stuff. Dang.
You're supposed to like slap it like a butt, like. That's what I was saying. Jiggle, jiggle. Ooh, dang, boy.
I'm gonna slap your butt.
Dang, boy.
All right. There, we're getting into the red. What? Am I beating you guys, or does it just look like that way?
They just look that way.
Oh.
You're definitely beating me.
Am I?
I haven't touched the red yet.
Oh! Spit on me, dude. Say it, don't spray it. Don't you know that?
I haven't even touched the red
Oh,
yet.
my intestines.
I haven't touched the red yet.
I just got a cramp in my intestines.
You got a crap in your
I'm sure I have crap in my intestines. I had cramp like a... It said, hold up. Why are you doing this? This isn't supposed to be this way.
It looks like the blood from their fight. The red.
The cherry Starburst. No.
What?
The cherry Starburst is overpowered. I can't taste the pink stuff.
Yeah.
All I taste is cherry. Would you stop? Just eat. Just eat.
I don't know how I'm still eating. Like,
Dude, will you eat?
The tsunami is coming.
Okay. You. Is this all sugar? Is this sugar high? We haven't eaten anything all day. And all he's had is sugar. So this is sugar high. This is Matthew's sugar high. He can't even stop shaking his bowl.
I'm an itch.
He's crazy. He's crazy. Okay, stop.
It looks cool.
It's killing my brain.
I want to burp. I can feel it up here.
Yeah. Oh, I can feel.
Oh crap! It's stuck.
In the Jello. Can you picture all this in my stomach? Oh! Can you picture that in your stomach? Look at that. That's cool looking.
You dug out the middle.
Mm-hmm.
I want to feel how yours is. Dang it.
Got it.
At your head.
Oh no, Ruger hair.
How could you, Dad?
How could Ruger? Ruger! Hi, bud. How are you doing? Yes. I love you. I don't think you can have Jello.
Probably not.
That's a lot of
Ziggy, can dogs have Jello?
It's too sugary, dude.
Here's something I found on the web. According to dogbreedsfact.com, essentially there's nothing toxic for dogs in Jello. Did that answer your question?
I guess.
I'm giving him some Jello.
No, don't give him any.
Thanks for your feedback.
No. Keep it over there. No, get your...
I didn't do anything.
Boy.
I didn't do anything.
Boy.
Bye.
Look how delicious that is.
It's so
That looks like brains now.
scrumptious.
You guys have ruined it.
Scrumptiously doo-doo. Ooh.
You know what you're doing? You're putting air in it. Which is going to fill you up even more. Scrumptiously doo-doo. I need a doo-doo. I think if I go doo-doo, I'll still beat you guys.
You should probably test that theory so I can start.
Hey, why don't you do that now? No one's stopping you.
Yeah.
Okay, enough. ADD boy. Hey. Sugar system.
That's what you get for touching my bowl of Jello. My precious.
This is what we have to deal with anytime you have sugar. Can you please stop?
This Studio C, like,
Eat it! Why are you not competing anymore? I spit all over you, I think. I didn't see it go anywhere. You were competing at first, and then you just turned into that.
it's all over my legs.
Carrie! Where did she leave? Ruger! He's whining. That means she either shut the door or locked him out.
Brains. Brains. I like the taste of brains.
You're gonna cringe so hard when you watch this. So hard. I hope all your girlfriends watch this. And they're gonna be like, whoa. Nope.
Plural?
Done with him. He's psycho. I like the grape better than the red.
Yeah, it's not as powerful.
Yeah. And it almost tastes like cough syrup.
Look. It's... Wait, hold up. I found it, guys. I found it. It's my brain.
All the way.
Wait, hold up. What if I like?
No, just sit down. Just sit down. You're already getting stuff on the
know.
seat now.
Let's watch this.
Seriously, boy.
The heart.
What the frick? Put it in your mouth.
Mm.
Okay. That was a bad idea. Keep your hand in there. Wow. He's lost it, guys. He has lost it. I have not seen you go this overboard in a long time. Give him a good smile.
How are you doing, Dad?
I might have to take a bathroom break. Wow. Sit. Oh.
I am a werewolf of Jello. It's all over my face.
Are you even in the shot? You've moved over further and further. Not that I want you close to me, because you're crazy. Okay, okay,
What
okay.
was that?
Okay. Stay over there. We have to deal with this right now. I'm about to knock him out,
Eye in the face.
so we don't have to worry about it anymore. Okay, stop.
You're Sonic.
Dude, it. Boy, you are disrupting our contest here.
There's no contest.
Don't turn around. Ever go bathroom? Oh my god! That's so loud. Can you guys entertain while I go?
No.
Can you knock it down a few notches? Talk to them about something. Yep.
I found my spoon.
I'm going to the bathroom.
I
I'm taking this with me. I don't trust you.
Wait, what? Don't have it in the bathroom. You having fun there?
He's definitely got to beat me.
Oh yeah. This is just. I didn't do that. I dropped a little bit.
Get it.
What better is that gonna do?
Put that under the seat.
I'm gonna wash my hands off.
Should we do pranks on him?
Ooh.
More prank videos?
Come on, Jello.
That would be fun. Leave a comment if we should do more prank videos.
Oh, it went up my nose. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. 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 I can't even like. Oh.
Are you even trying to win anymore?
No. I'm having fun with it. Just wait, Dad's probably eating his Jello on the toilet. No. There's some Jello with me. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, why is there Jello all over me?
Wonder. It's starting to. It's at the disgusting stage.
Maybe it's just this chair that makes him eat better. I. I will go. Goodbye.
It's just two boys now. We've lost Dad.
Yep. It's so cold. Tornado of blood. Tornado.
What are you doing in my... Did you entertain them?
No. Totally not.
Did you try to catch up to me? Did you
Yep,
throw...
I tried.
Did you cheat?
No.
Did you throw any away?
I washed my hands off at that time to see.
That's good. You got something on that side. Alright, no, I didn't bring the Jello in the bathroom with me.
You heard that.
I'll tell you what, though. I needed to go. It was not going to hold.
Squish.
Ugh!
Ow! Ow!
Don't touch my belly.
It squishes like the Jello.
Boy. Oh.
This hurts.
Mm-hmm.
My arm.
We did too much. Too much.
Too much.
We did too much, please.
Well, I
Don't
mean,
do
you'd be
that
done
to
by
me.
now if we only did what we did before.
A long time ago.
Yeah.
I won. The halfway mark, I won. Are you gonna puke?
I'm stirring it like soap. Soap, 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 soap. Yummy soup.
Soup.
Look at this.
doggy.
Okay, we're ready.
Oh. Can you stop again?
I made soup.
Please stop.
That has no effect.
Really, really. Like, I'm gonna delete this video if you don't stop it.
What was it like? Get my spoon, not Jello.
This is tough. This is really freaking tough. I like pop better than this.
Heck yeah.
You like this better than the pop challenge? Why?
Because you don't puke.
Yeah.
Pop, I'm fighting with myself the whole time.
Like, why?
Emotionally trying to fight himself to keep going.
Like, the bubbles, they do not come down. Like,
It's a wall.
Like burping?
my, it's like hard.
We know that. That was cute.
I will go. Come here. Come here. Up, up.
Oh, are you puking? No. Oh. Are you getting ready to?
Yeah.
I should have mine close by just in case.
Oh, why isn't that cleaned?
What? Hey, go rinse those off. Go rinse those out. That was part of your job.
I cleaned these other two. I didn't know.
They're clean, but I left soapy water in that one.
Oh, soapy. These two are good though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these ones are good.
I don't want them if they're wet.
They're not wet.
Okay.
This one kind of is.
Matthew, are you done? Did you give up? Like all the other challenges we've done? Up for one
2
of 60-something videos we've done. How about what?
Why you gotta be so mean?
They want to see Ruga done. Hi, Ruga Boogie.
You want some Jello? I'm gonna give you some Jello. Your dad's
No,
not gonna stop
no.
me. Yes. You get some Jello.
Matthew.
He's like, what is this substance? What?
Don't give him any more.
I know. It was very sugary.
Oh, man, I dropped some more.
Did you like the Jello?
Don't go in the crack.
I asked them, should
No,
we
no,
do
no,
more
no, no.
prank videos?
More? We haven't done any. We've done one.
Well, yeah.
I pranked you guys with
That
the noodles one time.
was that the only one?
Guys,
You regretting life?
I'm regretting this decision in my life.
Burger, why? Calm down.
Do you guys give up?
Why are you thirsty for more? What's that from? Let us know in the comments. Do you guys give up or are you thirsty for more?
Everybody knows that.
I guess we'll find out.
Mm-hmm. What a waste of Jello.
No, wait, put it in the refrigerator.
Well, I love you.
It can stay in the refrigerator for me. Reserved for Matthew.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you're the one who put your hands all through it.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Oh.
why I said reserved for me.
Yeah, totally. We'll be here. Oh no!
You're almost done. Oh, what the heck?
Oh, look at you begging. See those begging eyes? Puppy dog eyes. Look at him halfway. Oh,
Droops him.
He droops him down. You know what you're doing.
He even tears up.
He does. He'll tear up.
Where'd Dad going? Oh. He's begged you.
Go back to Ruger. Or go back to Ruger.
Thanks.
Go back to Matthew.
Oh my gosh, look at this. He's
Do
totally
you
fine.
want a treat? Do you want a treat? Sit.
He's just gonna drop it on the floor.
Head down. Head down. He put his head in my hand.
Oh.
Alright, yeah, I'm good. You can win. I thought I did pretty good. I was like forcing myself to get in.
Who can do the tiniest burp?
Are you gonna finish?
We should do a challenge if who can do the tiniest burp.
What?
You didn't even do
That's
anything.
teeny. You didn't hear it.
You didn't even do anything.
Oh no.
Are you actually gonna like go all the way?
Yeah.
Should I keep eating now?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
It keeps getting stuck like at the top of my throat, like a
That's how
little
you do
goat,
it.
and then.
Oh, why sideways? That was weird. I don't like this flavor.
All of it right now. All of it in your mouth.
Play on it.
Now swallow it whole. I dare you. Swallow that all whole. Don't bite it. Don't bite it
You think I
whatsoever.
can do it?
Don't bite it. Just swallow it. Just swallow it. I don't think it's even... Don't choke yourself, actually. Just bite it. You're gonna choke yourself.
The middle went down, the side stayed. That was rough. I feel it. Oh, I got shivers.
Dad, put your face in that. Put your face in that and bite it.
No,
Take off your hat. And
I don't
bite
want
it.
to. Now I'm feeling the sugar effect. I know that is. Name that movie.
I don't even know.
Don't.
Well, that was just so funny.
Don't.
What was it?
We can't. It's another movie thing.
If you didn't hear him, he said, hello, Clarice. Is it on my face again?
Yeah. Okay. Mama left you. She left you. She doesn't love you anymore. Just kidding. She loves you well, though. But she did leave you. She left you, buddy. And I already gave you a treat. Too cute.
Yeah, new rule. You're not allowed to use your spoon anymore.
No, it's not a rule. I don't want it. Where do you want it, boy? Oh, dude, get it. A turtle. That's long for turd. Stop, please stop. I really don't need it on the me or the ground. If that, see the red?
Yeah.
Quotes from
Yeah.
Dad. What a
It's
turtle.
called bleach.
What'd you say?
Quotes from Dad. What a turtle.
Oh, I've got one. I don't feel good.
You're so close.
Mm-hmm. Whoa!
It's my brain. You're eating my brain.
The size of your brain. It's about that. Same consistency, too.
I mean, it is pretty
Jello-y, yeah. It is.
No, this is my brain. The all-knowing.
One of my neurology instructors said that if you held the human brain fresh in your hands, it would seep through the fingers. It's so soft.
Every
I
time
didn't need
put
to
it
know
in
that.
my mouth,
What?
every time I try to put it in my mouth, I like want to gag.
You a cow?
Oh. 34 minutes! What? I didn't think it was that long. I could have... Oh. 3 packets. 3 boxes would have been much more doable than 4. Someone's having fun upstairs.
Don't mind.
Don't lie.
Don't mind me.
Don't.
Hold still.
No,
Hold
seriously.
Hold
Don't.
still.
Don't.
Look
Look
at
at
drop it.
Look at the mess you've made so far.
Don't make
I don't think I've dropped much. Just like maybe a couple pieces.
Let
I
go.
don't want it on me.
Let go.
I don't want it.
Let go.
I don't care about what you think you're gonna do. Let's not. Matthew, stop. Stop.
You made me squish it.
Good. Look, it's right. Stop. Seriously, I don't want it on me. I really don't. I don't want. Stop. Don't stop. You gone? Okay, because he is so weird and high on sugar, think we're gonna end this movie.
That's the only reason.
Movie? Video.
You called a movie earlier too.
Keep up. I said please.
Our TV show called
I
Me and My Two
I
Boys.
definitely don't want that in my ear.
Episode 600. No.
Okay. I don't think I can physically look.
Oh, I can't.
I won.
Come sit back down.
Winner
We're almost
has
done.
been declared. Look at this crap. He
I
didn't
don't
even
think
touch it.
That's not crap, guys.
He
This
did
is Jello.
He did more than
This
you
is Jello.
by a lot.
Get it right.
We're gonna have a talk after this.
You keep saying that, but yeah, I don't
With
give
this?
a crap.
Oh, just comment saying Rip Matthew.
No, he's fine. He's just high on sugar.
I'll finish yours.
Do whatever you
Make
want
sure
with
to
it.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. This is kind of a failed one. Not really, because I freaking ate a lot.
It was a tough one.
I won. But I feel like I failed. We did
'Cause
too,
you
we
did.
did too much. We did too many.
If there was less water and
each
more
box is
flavor,
6 servings. And we did 4 boxes. We did 24 servings minus, I'll say 3 servings. Because each serving is a half a cup. There's about a cup and a half in there. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. That's pretty good. I'll take the win over these two knuckleheads. All right, next video is gonna be much better than this one.
Oh, yeah.
It'll be either the hot gum,
Oh, goodness.
wait, how many servings each?
which
24?
would be good right now because we have so much in us.
24 times 70.
Oh no.
Ziggy. 24 times 70.
24 times 70 is 1,680.
That's calories.
That's my meal
No, Ziggy.
for the whole day. That's my day's worth of calories.
24 times 16.
Going into a coma.
Ziggy.
Should I turn it off?
24
Yeah.
times 16.
All right, guys.
No, hold on.
As you can
Hold on.
24 times 16 is 384.
That's how many grams of sugar we had. 384.
384 grams of sugar, guys. Well, you didn't.
Well.
You had 2. And you had 5. And I had 350. Okay. All right, guys. We love you all. Watch, subscribe so you can get our next ones. We're going to do some cool ones here soon. Involving chicken, hot gum, and something else. Love you. Turn that thing off.